Hi. It's time to learn about birds. Duck, chicken, rooster, goose, parrot, swan, owl, eagle, penguin, sparrow, crow, peacock, flamingo, pigeon, seagull, ostrich. Your turn. This is a duck. Duck. This is a chicken. Chicken. This is a rooster. Rooster. This is a goose. Goose. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is a swan. Swan. This is an owl. Owl. This is an eagle. Eagle. This is a penguin. Penguin. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. This is a crow. Crow. This is a peacock. Peacock. This is a flamingo. Flamingo. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. This is a seagull. Seagull. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. Let's review. What bird is this? Swan. What bird is this? Peacock. What bird is this? Goose. What bird is this? Sparrow. What bird is this? Owl. What bird is this? Pigeon. What bird is this? Duck. What bird is this? Seagull. What bird is this? Parrot. What bird is this? Penguin. What bird is this? Ostrich. What bird is this? Chicken. What bird is this? Flamingo. What bird is this? Eagle. What bird is this? Crow. What bird is this? Rooster. Let's review. I see a sparrow. This. I see an ostrich. This. I see a duck. This. I see a penguin. This. I see a chicken. This. I see a seagull. This. I see a swan. This. I see a flamingo. This. I see a peacock. This. I see a parrot. This. I see a pigeon. This. I see a goose. This. I see an eagle. This. I see a crow. This. I see a rooster. This. I see an owl. This. Last review. Duck. Chicken. Rooster. Goose. Parrot. Swan. Owl. Eagle. Penguin. Sparrow. Crow. Peacock. Flamingo. Pigeon. Seagull. Ostrich. Good job.
Bye!